Hello. Today I'm gonna be sewing this curtain. They're separate panels, so I'm gonna put them together. That's my little sewing station there, and breakfast, dinner, everything, all at one. Jim is.
Hey, can you sew me a pair of pants while you're at it?
You have plenty of pants.
No, a little hem on the ones you cut off so it's not.
Oh yeah, well, get it out.
Yay!
Get it out because the
I get
machine.
a new pair of pants.
Yes. So today the day is not very good. It's cloudy. It rained already. So we are not going to.
Oh, look, I got a baby.
Okay. Ooh, let me go.